Sobrang grabe yung tili namin, sobrang saya namin.
Ano yung tili?
Wala. Marami ko. Kasi ikaw magsasama.
Well, I'm sure.
Sobrang saya po namin kasi normal na tao lang po kami. Dati nag-o-order po talaga kami ng Jollibee. So ngayon po, sobrang nakaka-proud po. Kasi si Jollibee po talaga parte na po ng movie ng mga Filipinos. Yes, be part po of this family na naghahatid ng saya sa lahat po. Sobrang ito po yung proud moment po talaga namin. Lalo pa at yung in-endorse pa namin yung cheesiest, geekiest, best tasting cheesy dog.
Wow!
Grabe, dream come true na talaga po sa amin. Ito, Jollibee sa aming meaning po kasi kahit saan sa rehearsals, training, pag nagugutom kami, guys, order tayo Jollibee, order tayo ng Chicken Joy, kung ano mga Coke Float, lahat favorite po talaga ng no joke. It's our favorite comfort food. Yeah.
Right before the program started, grabe yung ang daming super meals sa likod. That's how big of a fan Jollibee is. But I just want to say,
SM Beefiness and double cheesy yung burger. Nakakagutom naman yan. Pero what if yung cheesiest, easiest, best tasting cheesy yung burger, what we already love, i-double pa natin. Para double the fun, double the yum, am I right?
Yung masarap na cheesy yung burger, dodoblehin pa natin. Paano yung sinabi mo? Double? Double
the fun, double the yum.
Okay. Pwede ba natin gawin yun? Meron na ba yun?
Meron na ngayon. Kasi dahil ngayon, Jollibee is proud to introduce its newest variant, the double cheesy yum burger.
And I think we have it on the screen. It's right there.
Ayan na naman kayo.
Ayan na naman. I think all of our friends, please take a photo, use the hashtag Jollibee. Parang si Colette
mas ma-enjoy natin yung double na yung cheesiest cheese tapos double pa yung beefiest patty. Di ba pero?
Sobrang. Aloy!
Yes, parang nalalasahan ko na mula sa soft buns hanggang sa nag-iisang Jollibee's special burger jersey na hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga yun. Tapos double pa yung cheesiest cheese slices with double beefiest patties. Grabe. I love it. Meron pa tayo, parang nagugutom ulit.
Nagugutom ka na ulit?
Kakain mo lang. Kasi tignan nyo naman, tignan nyo yung double cheesy goodness. O, di ba? Yung cheese na wala. O, siya na yan.
Ito mo na yung BBS natin.
BBS nito, yung mga shoots kasi namin, kahit ilang takes pa kami, naubos po talaga. Lunok talaga namin. Lunok talaga. Si Joanna namin naubos.
Oo, teka lang. Si Joanna na marami naubos. Grabe naman.
Sayang kasi tingin pa lang sa double cheesy yung burger. Alam mo na agad na umapaw ang cheesiest and beefiest flavor.
I mean, look at that. Diba?
Yan.
Talaga naman na masarap eh.
Tingin lang, bawal pa yung tagat. Kasi napatakam na ako eh.
Natatakam ka?
Patingin ang takam. Ano yung takam? Patainin mo yan.
Gusto na makita yung takam ni Gwen?
Ay!
3, 2, 1.
Maganda. Maganda matakam. Cute. Please enjoy our newest double cheesy yum burger from Jollibee! Yeah! Eat well, guys. Eat well.
Jollibee stores nationwide. Starting tomorrow at best thing is, kayo nito dito mismo sa ating event. Good job! Everyone is having a bite of the newest cheesy yum burger.
It's in the shade of brown.
Diretso talaga, no? Okay. Let me open my burger right now and eat with the girls. In 3, 2, 1.
Wala ka kasi kaka.
Grabe, no? Ibang klase. Saka, first time ko makarinig ng audience yung bumamalakmak dahil kumakain ng yum burger sa stage. Ang galing. Hindi lang talaga nakakawa na. Pero winner na naman ng Jollibee. Iba talagang saya. Sobrang sarap nito. Let's get Jollibee a big round of applause. Good job, Jollibee. I'm sobrang excited ako i-share itong balita to. And now that we have officially announced Beanie as the newest members of the Jollibee family, if you can look at... Okay, we haven't opened your... But, sa looks pa lang, ano ang sabi ko? Bilig na hindi mo talaga ang ating double sa burger. Oh, kamusta yung girls natin?
Gusto.
Joanna, parang hindi ka matapusing ah. Kalahati na. Okay. Let's go to our Jollibee map and ask one of our I'm sure you'll hear about smoking in a endorser. Maraming salamat, Beanie Grip. You're part of that family. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back on page, you know.
Tulak mo ko ha. Baka mamaya, makalimutan ko.
Johnny, thank you so much for making our girls the newest addition to the family. Let's get Johnny and Beanie a big round of applause. Oh, nasa talaga yung double genius, BTS, best tasting goodness. And yung product are...
We've been wanting to share this stuff.
Maraming salamat. Candidate number 1. Thank you for saying that. But I think it's high time for me to ask our girls kasi getting this, I don't want to say ambassadorship or endorsement, getting this privilege.
Jollibee family. Pero kasi di ba parang buong buhay natin, naging part na talaga yun ng buhay natin, Jollibee. Parang pagkabata natin, doon ka na
O yung mga bouncer lang.
Doon ako nag-first birthday, mga post ko. Up until now, alam nyo, may share lang ako po. Bawa, lumalabas kami sa ibang bansa. Tapos nasa airport pa lang po kami, pauwi pa lang po kami. Hindi kami nag-uusap.
Cameraman.
Ano po ginagawa namin? Sarili-sariling order po kami ng Jollibee. Para po, pagdating namin sa bahay po, nandun na. Diretso kain na po kami. Ganun po lagi routine namin. Kasi namimiss namin yung lasa ng Jollibee kung magkano kasi.
Ano nga lang for Pinoys, di ba? For Filipinos like us, pag sinabi mong Pinoy, automatic Jollibee na dyan.
Yes. Sobrang saya sa puso na maging part mo ng brand na to. Kasi Jollibee.
Swerte may tickets. Taas kamay.
Sino mga nakasecure ng tickets? No worry, madami akong next time.
Kasama ka rin ba sa Beanie Run? Dito. Well, yung parang naman natin yung feeling. Okay lang ba? You want it? Is that okay? Okay. All good with our director? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be watching the newest. Diba? Sobrang happy ang lahat. Marketing team is so happy. Jollibee is so happy. Stacey, are you crying?
Tawag ko siya sa pagkakataon. Yan, laki ka lang. Kasi nakailang take po ako talaga sa part na yun. Kasi natatawa ko talaga.
Tsaka yung last part na may ganun. Ano dito let me tell you again, this is a game. Okay, competitive mode on ang Beanie natin. And we're going to be spreading joy and showing off their best and most energetic dance moves. So please don't be shy. You can tell them about the choreography right now. We're going to give you siguro some few minutes. Okay, so una na. Alam na natin kung sino pinaka-competitive. Si Joanna. Okay. You can teach the move right now. And then the music is going to be like this. Play natin. Alright. Such a quick choreography. Pero kailangan pinakamagaling dito, ha? And I will be needing your help. Alright? So all set, no? Let me go over there and let's start with Ate Jo. Okay. Pinali ang choreography. Gusto manalo. 3, 2, 1. dito later on. Bubuksan po namin yung area so you can take a photo with our ladies right there, especially their standings, and go around and taste the cheesiest, the beefiest. Yup, we're going.
Ibig mamasang yung tunay na aktibo. Ibang pinapakita, galing mo sa ibang salita. Pero may kulang sa simulan. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y nagmahal. Sana ay maibsa aking pangungulila. Shocking this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up and breathe, baby. Ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa na ba na mga puso ko'y magkatigan? Mahiwalay sa lahigan ng balian at linis. Kanyang tunay na pag-iwin. Bakit ang puso'y nabibig? Sari-sari-sari sa pag-ibig. Sari-sari-sari maramang sa pag-ibig. Sari-sari-sari mabubuhay. Ayaw ko naniwala. Pero sa'yo siya ang tinagpusan. Anong talaga ito? Maghihintay na lang na ika'y mahal. Sinarin mo isa aking pangungulila. Shocked in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up to scream. Ayoko umasa sa paginiwala. Asa na lang
Salamin. Ayaw ko maniwala. Pero pag binuksan mo siya, hindi sa maniwagan salamin. And meron pang isa. Si Jollibee mismo.
Sabi ko na pala ako dito, Kuya Robby.
There, Mika is... Andun ka, Mika.
Andun ako. Sige, sige.
We'll pass someone to get it later on. Okay, maraming salamat. I got your photo cards. Ang daming gustong mag-hi sa inyo, but you'll have the chance later on. At this point, we're opening the floor for our special Q&A session, and this is your chance to ask Beanie all of your burning questions about their music, their journey, and of course, their collaboration with the iconic Jollibee, okay? So, I think we got a mic right there, and this is for our friends from the media. We are going to be limiting the...
My question is, what's your favorite ways of enjoying your cheesy burger? Mga favorite ways.
Favorite way of enjoying your cheesy yum burger?
For me, I think it's very important to spend it with family or friends, very close friends. Kasi yun nga, kagaya na sinabi ni Joanna kanina, Jollibee is family, and Jollibee is about the memories, and it's about the moments in life, the positivity you feel, and the joy, of course. I think it's about being with family and the best people to eat the cheesy hamburger.
Yeah, it's any other girls would love to answer the question?
The best way.
Best way to enjoy...
The Jollibee way.
What is the Jollibee way?
Or Jojo, show. Or Jollibee pag after training talaga. After training, yung gutom po talaga kami, and sumikmo muna na yung tiyan namin. Hindi kami pinapa-water break ng coach. Yun po yung pinulong forward ko talaga. Sis, yun lang muna. Nasa yung rice ko, nasa yung chicken ko.
May gusto ko
Similar vibes to your fans and Bean.
Pang Miss Universe naman yung kago. Grabe. Okay, that's candidate number one.
I think that this partnership with Jollibee is such, it's similar to the values that we also have as Beanie. It's similar to what we advocate
which is positivity and joy and inclusivity. And we would like to thank Jollibee, of course, for making sure that everyone feels welcomed every time they visit Jollibee and eat their food. And I'm the pressure of it. Jollibee is all about spreading positivity and joy, and that's what we also really want to do. That's where we are similar in. When we perform, we want people to be able to relate to your songs that we perform and the lyrics that we say, of course.
That's true. Everyone
Excited about being the newest song.
Ako, syempre excited na po akong matikman ng mga kapwa Pinoy natin ang bagong cheesy yung burger. Kasi, alam nyo, ako po...
That is a nice question. Are we not? One last question.
Hi, Beanie. I'm Cheese from 8list and Bite Size on PH. Hello. So, what's your favorite pairing in the new Jollibee Cheesy Double Yum?
Ako favorite ko personally yung macaroni soup and coke float. Sige. Ako. With
especially you, Glenn. We know that your special day is just around the corner, and we can't let this moment pass without making it memorable for you. So why don't we celebrate it with your Jollibee? A warm welcome to Jollibee's VP for Marketing, Ma'am Dorothy DJ. Ma'am Dora is right here together with one of my favorites, AVP for panels, Ma'am Pam Reyes, and Senior Manager for PR. Oh wait, what is a birthday without a birthday song? Tama, di ba? So, is it okay if we sing the birthday song for Gwen?
yeah.
Alright, music. Do you have music?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Okay, let's wish.
Happy birthday.
2 more years with Jollibee.
Wow! Alright, happy birthday, Mini Gwen on 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Ready na ba kayo makita si Jollibee?
Kalakas talaga si Jollibee.
Picture. Smile, Jollibee.
Okay, so we got Jollibee and friends together with our LTs. Okay. Hello.
Mamaya tayo mag-gusto.
Okay, we got Jollibee and friends on the stage. Friends, in just a bit. Okay, before we call in our leadership team, we would love to call in our bosses first to join in this grand photo op. So why don't we call in right now? Before we end the PH Burgers team together with Miss Dora DJ. And join. Okay, right after that photo.
Jollibee team, are